water.
Hello, welcome to Cooking at Home with Arlet. Today I take you come along to cook vegetarian chow mein. It's first time and boil in the water. Make water is boiling. Make water boiling like that. I use medium egg noodle. Medium egg noodle like this. Cut it out. Put two in here, twoแล้ววันอีกนับ Don't make it too cook. It ต่อไปเสร็จผมลูกพี่ It now first time use one onion. One onion chop it off. Chop the piece like that. First time turn the cooker on, put in the wok and cooking oil. I use olive cooking oil. Put in here, don't put too much. I use one carrot. I peel up one carrot. I square like that. Look at noodle. Really, don't leave it too long. Chinese cabbage. I washed already. Chinese cabbage. Cut in half. It now look at the noodle. Now going be all it all done. Put the onion into the cooking oil. Stir it. Cook onion a little bit first before you put the cabbage on. It now turn the noodle off. Take the water out. Put the vegetable and carrot down. Now put some noodle in. Before you put noodle in, sop noodle a bit first. And put it in. Put oyster sauce in. Oyster sauce. About 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Soy sauce in. About 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. About teaspoon of tomato. If you don't have kids, you just put sugar in. Half teaspoon of white pepper. Put up together. Make sure you get in properly. Haha. So easy, so simple to cook. Jump down. All done. That should not take long. Turn cooker off. That vegetarian chow mein is so simple to cook. So yum yum. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you.